Your entry door does more than just welcome guests. It protects your home, contributes to energy efficiency, and plays a major role in curb appeal. Over time, even the best doors begin to show signs of wear. For homeowners in Pasadena, where heat, sunlight, and occasional storms can take a toll, recognizing when it's time to replace your entry door can help you maintain comfort, security, and style. One of the most obvious signs is visible damage. Cracks, dents, warping, or peeling finishes are clear indicators that your door may no longer be performing as it should. In Pasadena's warm climate, prolonged sun exposure can cause materials to fade or weaken over time. A damaged door not only looks worn but can also compromise your home's protection. Difficulty opening or closing your door is another common sign. If your door sticks, drags, or doesn't align properly with the frame, it may be due to warping or structural issues. This can make everyday use frustrating and may indicate that the door is no longer functioning efficiently. A properly fitted door should open and close smoothly without resistance. Drafts and temperature changes near your entryway are also important warning signs. If you feel warm air entering your home during the summer or notice uneven indoor temperatures, your door may not be sealing properly. In Pasadena, where keeping cool air inside is essential, an inefficient door can increase energy costs and reduce comfort. Modern replacement doors are designed with improved insulation and tighter seals to help maintain a consistent indoor environment. Rising energy bills can often be linked to poor door performance. When your entry door allows air to escape or enter, your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain the desired temperature. Replacing an outdated door with an energy-efficient option can help reduce energy usage and lower monthly expenses. Another sign to watch for is moisture or water damage. If you notice water pooling near your entryway, or signs of rot or mold around the frame, your door may not be providing adequate protection against the elements. Pasadena can experience sudden rain, and a well-sealed door is essential for keeping moisture out and preventing long-term damage. Outdated appearance is another reason homeowners choose to replace their entry doors. Styles and materials change over time, and an older door can make your home look dated. A new entry door offers an opportunity to refresh your home's exterior, improve curb appeal, and create a more inviting first impression. Security concerns should also be taken seriously. If your door feels less sturdy than it once did, or if the locks and hardware are outdated, it may not provide the level of protection your home needs. Modern entry doors are built with stronger materials and advanced locking systems, giving you added peace of mind. Noise levels can also indicate a problem. If you're hearing more outside noise than usual, your door may not be insulating your home effectively. A new door with better sealing and construction can help create a quieter indoor environment. Frequent maintenance is another sign it may be time for a replacement. If you find yourself constantly repainting, repairing, or adjusting your door, upgrading to a newer, low-maintenance option can save time and effort. Materials like fiberglass and steel are designed to resist wear and require minimal upkeep. You may also notice that your door no longer fits your lifestyle. Whether you want more natural light, better ventilation, or a more modern design, replacing your entry door allows you to choose features that better suit your needs. Professional installation is key to ensuring your new door performs properly. A precise fit and proper sealing are essential for maximizing energy efficiency, security, and durability. Working with experienced installers ensures your investment delivers long-term benefits. Ultimately, your entry door plays a vital role in your home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance. Recognizing the signs of wear and knowing when to replace it can help you avoid larger issues down the road. For homeowners in Pasadena, upgrading your entry door is a smart way to improve both function and style. With the right replacement, you can enjoy a more secure, energy-efficient, and visually appealing home for years to come.